G'day guys, Clint here from Lawn Hub. I'm at my house again, and as you can see, my Tiftuf is starting to look much better. I took the advice of friends and subscribers alike to just leave it alone, and I've let it grow. Now I've got my Unicorn here, fully serviced, sharpened. It's only been used once since it was sharpened, and oh my, using a freshly sharpened Scott Bonnar is divine. It's like having one of those clean cut razor shaver jobbies from your local barber. So I've measured the distance between the metal thing, what's it called? Anyway, I think we'll be cutting it about 18 mil. It might be 15, it might be 18. Anyway, I'll do a proper measurement just so that we know for the video. And I'm just gonna run it over and see how much it takes off. Very conscious to start high and work down. It's finally looking okay, and I don't want to mess this up. So I wasn't going to film because I was like, yeah, these guys really don't need another video of me with my Tiftuf. But I think if I missed this one, it was kind of like the crescendo. It was the one that mattered. It was the one where the lawn's looking okay. So let's get to it. Lawn's mowed. I don't know if you would have seen it in the video. I'm sure Duffy will be able to cut it in, but I had to lower it a few times. I don't know where it's at the moment. It might be at 15 mil or 12 mil from the bed knife, I remembered the word, to the ground, and I'm pretty sure that's how you measure it. So hey, it took probably a quarter of a catcher, and most of that is from the ryegrass that's still growing up the side. I mowed the Tiftuf that we laid down the side, so I'm going to show you that because I know some of you have got bets on that not working. Might be time to collect. Might be time to collect. So yeah, I'm going to get the rotary scissors out now and just kind of clean up the edges, and then I'm going inside.